Hi everybody, thanks a lot for joining us today. My name is Lloyd. I'm with YouTube's Railroad Spike Productions. I'm here to take you on a virtual tour of the Willaford Railroad Museum here in Plant City, Florida. We're going to be talking about the 1963 Seaboard Air Line Caboose that's been fully restored. So hit the like button, click subscribe, and definitely enjoy the video. Sitting here is the 1963 Seaboard Air Line Caboose, purchased by Robert Willaford in 2005. In 2013, the caboose was donated to the city by Mr. Robert Willaford. It was transported 3.5 miles from his house to the depot. Once the caboose arrived, these trucks had to be placed on the train tracks. They had to sit 32 feet 4 inches apart for the pins to line up with the holes on the bottom of the caboose. Cabooses were actually used by conductors. They were treated as a moving office. Essentially, the conductor would keep track of all the train cars that they picked up and dropped off. And at the end of the day, they would arrive at the train yard and he would turn this paperwork in. He would fill the paperwork out while in the caboose. Next time that you're out and about and you see a train pass, you'll probably not see a caboose. But you can always stop by the train depot here in Plant City. Take a look around, take a step back into history, and check out our 1963 fully restored Seaboard Air Line Caboose. Alright, well, I'm going to say thanks a lot for watching this video today. Again, my name is Lloyd. I'm with YouTube's Railroad Spike Productions. Definitely visit the Willaford Railroad Museum.com and their Facebook page. We definitely love to hear back from you, so go ahead and leave a comment down below, hit like, and hit subscribe.